Hi guys. So I'm with this girl. She's really cool. I'm gonna give her a shout out right here. Screenshot that, people. Okay, we're just gonna dance. Why not? 10 hours later of dancing. So she was showing me how she used to set up her dance, and then I showed her how I used to set up my dance. Yes, she said happy was. There's just a random flamingo in the corner, and that represents my love for Albert stuff. Yeet. Wow, okay. Oof. Oof. So yeah, shout out to this girl on YouTube. If I could pull up her, that. Just search up that, and this is her account. Right here. So yeah. She's pretty cool. She's awesome. So, yeah, subscribe to her and add her on Animal Jam because she's really cool. Yeah, I don't have an intro. Yeah, you guys probably noticed that, but like, I wish somebody would like help me make one because I don't know how. I've tried. I have tried. Never worked out well. So, let's just go back to dancing. Let's just go back to dancing like weird people. Look how much stuff look at this. I had 16 left, but like I bought a cheetah. Because why not? I have so much stuff, like, look at all these animals. Look at all of them. Let's see how many people leave us on. On what? Leave us on what? I hate you. Hey. So I'm gonna have to end this video here. So, bye-bye.